Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a deep dive into the 2024 Honda Forza 750, a premium maxi scooter that has been making waves in the urban mobility and touring segments. This sophisticated machine combines sleek design, advanced technology, and outstanding performance, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and weekend getaways. Stick around as we explore every aspect of the Forza 750, from its design and features to its performance and ride quality. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2024 Honda Forza 750 exudes a modern and dynamic aesthetic that is sure to turn heads. It features sharp lines and a sculpted body that not only looks great but also enhances aerodynamics. The LED headlights, taillights, and indicators give it a sleek, futuristic look while improving visibility on the road. The bike is available in several striking colors, including matte jeans blue metallic, matte ballistic black metallic, and pearl glare white, allowing riders to choose a style that suits their personality. One of the standout features of the Forza 750 is its advanced technology. Honda has equipped this maxi scooter with a full-color TFT display that provides all the necessary information at a glance. This display is customizable, allowing riders to choose the layout that best suits their preferences. Additionally, the Forza 750 comes with Honda Smartphone Voice Control System, which allows riders to connect their smartphone and access various functions such as navigation, music, and calls using voice commands or the handlebar controls. This integration ensures that riders can stay connected while keeping their focus on the road. When it comes to performance, the 2024 Honda Forza 750 does not disappoint. It is powered by a 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive ride. This engine produces 58 horsepower and 69 Newton meters of torque, providing ample power for city commuting and highway cruising. The Forza 750 also features a dual-clutch transmission that offers both automatic and manual shifting modes. This allows riders to enjoy the convenience of automatic shifting in traffic and the control of manual shifting on open roads. The DCT also contributes to the scooter's excellent fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective option for daily use. Ride quality is another area where the Forza 750 excels. It comes with a high-quality suspension system that includes $41 million forks at the front and a ProLink monoshock at the rear. This setup provides a comfortable and stable ride, even on rough roads. The scooter is also equipped with 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wheels, which enhance stability and handling. The radial mount 4-piston front brake calipers and dual front discs, combined with a single rear disc, provide excellent stopping power, ensuring that riders can stop quickly and safely in any situation. Comfort and convenience are key considerations for any maxi-scooter, and the Forza 750 excels in these areas as well. The scooter features a spacious and well-padded seat that ensures a comfortable ride for both the rider and the passenger. The seat height is 790 millimeters, making it accessible for riders of various heights. Under the seat, there is a generous storage compartment that can accommodate a full-face helmet and other essentials. Additionally, the Forza 750 comes with a glove box that includes a USB charging port, allowing riders to keep their devices charged on the go. Another noteworthy feature of the 2024 Honda Forza 750 is its advanced safety systems. It comes with Honda Selectable Torque Control and ABS as standard. The HSTC helps maintain traction on slippery surfaces by adjusting engine power, while the ABS ensures safe and controlled braking in emergency situations. These systems provide an added layer of confidence and safety, making the Forza 750 a reliable choice for riders of all skill levels. The 2024 Honda Forza 750, a premium maxi scooter renowned for its blend of performance, comfort, and advanced features, comes with a price tag that reflects its high-end positioning in the market. With a suggested retail price starting around $12,000, the Forza 750 offers exceptional value for those seeking a versatile and stylish ride.